Ndewono. Hello everyone. Aha m bụ Ozioma Precious. My name is Ozioma Precious. Nnọọnụ na nkụzi anyị taa. Welcome to our today's teaching. N'ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-amụta ahịrịokwu dị iche iche banyere nri. Today, we will be learning different sentences regarding food. Ngwanụ ka anyị bido. Okay, let us get started. Ihe a na-akpọ food n'asụsụ Igbo bụ nri. Food is called nri in the Igbo language. Food is called nri. Say nri. Kwuo nri. Ọzọ, say it again. Again, kwuo ya ọzọ. Say it again. Nri. 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 That is food. Nri ya bụ food. Nri. That is. Ị chọrọ ịsị I am hungry. Ihe ị ekwu bụ. If you want to say I am hungry, what you will say is agụụ na-agụ m. Agụụ na-agụ m. Now, let's take it slower. Agụụ. Repeat it after me. Agụụ na-agụ m. Ọzọ, again. Agụụ na-agụ m. Now, that's how to say I am hungry. Now, that word agụụ is hunger. Please differentiate agụụ from agụ. You can see that agụụ ends with double O sound. O. That's why you stretch. Agụụ. Why agụ? Agụ, which is a wild animal, ends with just one O sound. O sound. So that is why it's agụ. So agụụ. Agụụ. Agụụ is hunger. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. So if you want to say she is hungry, it's showing you who she is hungry. You say agụụ na-agụ ya. He, she, or it is hungry. You know that the same thing. He, she, or it. You say agụụ. Agụụ na-agụ ya. We are hungry. Agụụ na-agụ anyị. Agụụ na-agụ anyị. They are hungry. Agụụ na-agụ ha. That child is hungry. Agụụ na-agụ nwa ahụ. Now, if you want to say, I am very hungry. Ị chọrọ ikwu, I am very hungry. You say, ezigbote agụụ na-agụ m. Ezigbote agụụ na-agụ m. Now, let's say it slower. Ezigbote. Repeat after me. Ezigbote agụụ na-agụ m. Ezigbote agụụ na-agụ m. Now, some people can also say agụụ na-agụsi m ike. Agụụ na-agụsi m ike. So, anyone you say is how to say I am very hungry. So, either you say ezigbote agụụ na-agụ m, or you say agụụ na-agụsi m ike. That's the same thing we say she's hungry. Ezigbote agụụ na-agụ ya, or agụụ na-agụsi ya ike. They are hungry. Ezigbote agụụ na-agụ ha, or agụụ na-agụsi ha ike. O doro gị anya? Hope this is clear. Ngwanụ ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Okay, let's progress. Nke ịbụa bụ, the second one is, she sells soup stuff. Now, she sells items for soup. To say such in Igbo, ị chọrọ ikwu enyi Igbo, ị ga-asị, you will say, ọ na-ere ihe ofe. Ọ na-ere ihe ofe. Ọ na-ere ihe ofe. She sells soup items, soup ingredients. Ọ na-ere ihe ofe. Ọ na-ere ihe ofe. Now, in the same vein, if you want to say, ị chọrọ ikwu, I sell soup ingredients, you will say, m na-ere ihe ofe. M na-ere ihe ofe. One more time. M na-ere ihe ofe, or ana m, I am, I sell. Ana m ere ihe ofe. Ana m ere ihe ofe. So if you want to say, ị chọrọ ikwu that Nneka sells soup ingredients, that na Nneka na-ere ihe ofe, you will say Nneka na-ere ihe ofe. Nneka na-ere ihe ofe. Nneka na-ere ihe ofe. O doro gị anya? So, they sell soup ingredients. Ha na-ere ihe ofe. We sell soup ingredients. Anyị na-ere ihe ofe. So, you can just substitute that pronoun. Put in any name or any other pronoun you want. Ị ghọtara ya? Do you understand it? Ị ghọtara ihe m kwuru? Do you understand what I said? If you do, let me know in the comment section. Nke atọ bụ, the third one is, achọrọ m ịzụta ihe ofe, which is, I want to buy soup ingredients. I want to buy soup ingredients. N'asụsụ Igbo bụ, I want to buy soup ingredients in the Igbo language is, achọrọ m ịzụta ihe ofe. Say it after me. Achọrọ m ịzụta ihe ofe. Achọrọ m ịzụta ihe ofe. Ọzọ, achọrọ m ịzụta ihe ofe. Now, you can also say m chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. Now, you also know that in general Igbo, you can say zụta or gota, and ihe can also be ife. Yeah. So, but academic standard Igbo says achọrọ m or m chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. So that's to say, I want to buy soup ingredients. Now, if we want to say, I chọrọ ikwu, she wants to buy food ingredients, anyị ga-asị, we will say, ọ chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. Ọ chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. We want to buy soup ingredients. Anyị chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. Nneka wants to buy soup ingredients. Nneka chọrọ ịzụta ihe ofe. So you just keep varying the pronoun, okay? O doro gị anya? Is it clear to you? I hope you know that this my class is a class where I get feedback from you. So if this is clear to you, tell me in the comment section. Comment yes, it is clear to me. But if it's not clear to you, tell me no and ask me any specific question regarding this, and I will give you an answer. Gazage. I will answer you. Gazage. Ngwanụ, ka anyị banye nke anọ. Nke anọ bụ, number 4 is, achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri, which is, I want to eat. I want to eat. So, ya bụ, ị chọrọ ikwu I want to eat n'Igbo. If you want to say I want to eat in Igbo, you simply say, achọrọ m iri nri. So if you want to tell your mother you want to eat, you say, achọrọ m iri nri. Nne, achọrọ m iri nri. Nne Mas mother, nne m, my mother, achọrọ m iri nri. Mommy m, achọrọ m iri nri. Nwanne m nwanyị, my sister, achọrọ m iri nri. Because agụụ na-agụ m. Because I am hungry, maka na agụụ na-agụ m. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat. Maka na because agụụ na-agụ m. I want to eat because I am hungry. Achọrọ m iri nri maka agụụ na-agụ m. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. Remember, it can also be chọrọ. So achọrọ m can always be chọrọ. Chọrọ. Achọrọ m chọrọ. Achọrọ m iri nri. Nneka wants to eat. Ị ga-asị, you will say, Nneka chọrọ iri nri. They want to eat. Ha chọrọ iri nri. We want to eat. Anyị chọrọ iri nri. Anyị chọrọ iri nri maka agụụ na-agụ anyị. We want to eat because we are hungry. We want to eat. Anyị chọrọ iri nri maka na agụụ, because hunger, agụụ na-agụ anyị, because we are hungry, so we want to eat. Ị ghọtara ya? Do you understand it? I hope you do. If you do, tell me in the comment section, Ozioma, right on. But if you don't, tell me, oh no, I don't understand. Then you ask me your question. I will answer you. Ngwanu, let's enter nke ise. Nke ise. Nke bụ. Let us enter number 5, which is Ana m esi nri. I am cooking. So, ị chọrọ ikwu I am cooking n'asụsụ Igbo. If you want to say I am cooking in the Igbo language, how will you say it? You simply have to say Ana m. Say it after me. Ana m esi. Again, nri. Ana m esi nri. Ana m esi nri. So if your friend tells you, oh, Buki, achọrọ m iri nri, agụụ na-agụsi m ike. So say your name is Buki and your friend tells you, Buki, I want to eat. I am so hungry. What will you tell Buki? Or what will you tell your friend, Nneka? You say, Nneka, ana m esi nri. Nneka, nwee ndidi. Be patient. Nneka, nwee ndidi. Maka na ana m esi nri. Be patient because I am cooking. Can see how this sentence relates? So someone tells you, agụụ na-agụ m, achọrọ m iri nri. You say, nwee ndidi. Maka na m na-esi nri. Be patient because I am cooking. Ana m esi nri. I am cooking. Ọ na-esi nri. He is cooking. Anyị na-esi nri. We are cooking. Ha na-esi nri. They are cooking. Mommy m na-esi nri. My mother is cooking. Nneka. Oh, why am I using Nneka? Like, I love that name. Let me look for another name. Christy is cooking. Okay, so you know what? I'll be giving a shout out in this channel to all those who contribute via the comment section. I always encourage you to comment. So once you drop your comment in my subsequent videos, I will give you a shout out as one of the contributors to this channel and probably use your name in one of these my examples. So Nneka na-esi nri. Nneka is cooking. Hope it's clear. Udoro gị anya ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Now that your food is done, now that you finished cooking, let's say you finished cooking and your friend is waiting and your friend, you want to communicate to your friend that you finished cooking. How will you tell your friend that you finished cooking? So to tell your friend that food is done, food is cooked, food is done, what you will say in Igbo language is Nri eyela. You heard me? I said Nri eyela. Repeat it after me. Nri eyela. Nri eyela. Nri eyela. Food has cooked. Nri eyela. Now, it is not uncommon for you to hear Nri eyela na and not la na or Nri eyego or Nri eyele. That's not uncommon. These are also popular ways. But for the purpose of standard Igbo, I'm just telling you this, or in case you are communicating. Gị na ndị Igbo ọzọ na-asụ na maọbụ go. Gị na ha na-ekwu. If you are communicating with people that use na or go, my own part of Igbo land will use na and go. So most times when you hear me speak, if I'm just speaking, I'm not teaching. I'm just communicating in Igbo. What you're going to hear from my mouth is Nni, not even Nri. Nni eyena or Nni eyego. Nni eyego. Nni eyena. Nni eyego. Nni eyena. That's what you're most likely going to hear from my mouth and from those who comes from my side, okay? But the standard Igbo is Nri. There are also people who say Nli, that they use li, L. While my own part, we use ni, and the second word is ni. But academic Igbo, for the purpose of standardizing the Igbo language, we say Nri eyela. So food is done. Food is cooked. Oh, my friend, enyi m nwanyị, nri eyela o. Nri eyela. Nri eyela o. So this is our number 6. Nri eyela. We are progressing. Ka anyị banye na nke asatọ. Let's go to number 7. I have finished cooking. Kedu otu ị ga-esi kwu I have finished cooking? How will you say I have finished cooking? You will say esichala m nri. Esichala m nri. Enyi m nwanyị esichala m nri. I have finished cooking. Esichala m, I have finished. Esichala m, I have finished. Esichala m nri. I have finished cooking. Also, it's not uncommon to hear esichala m nri le or esichala m nri or esichago m nri. These are past participle markers across different Igbo dialects. So, go, na, le, la. These are the 4 popular, what do they call it? Past participle marker in Igbo dialects. But for the standard Igbo, we say la. Esichala m. Esichala m nri. Nwanne m nwanyị esichala m nri. So you are hungry and you tell your friend, Christy, agụụ na-agụ m. And your friend tells you, Buki, ana m esi nri, nwee ndidi. Oh, Buki, nri eyela, esichala m nri o, nri eyela o. Food is done. I have finished cooking. And you are happy because very soon you will be eating. So, I have finished cooking. Esichala m nri. That brings us to our number 8. Anyị na-aga n'ihu. We are progressing. In our number 8, it becomes come and eat. So your friend is now telling you to come and eat. Buki, come and eat. How will you say come and eat? Kedu otu ị ga-esi kwu come and eat? To say come and eat in the Igbo language, you simply say bịa rie nri. Bịa rie nri. Again, bia. Say after me, bia, rie, nri. So come and eat. So you want to say, Nneka, come and eat. Nneka, bia, rie, nri. Buki, come and eat. Buki, bia, rie, nri. Chika, come and eat. Chika, bia, rie, nri. Makana nri eyela because food is done. Come and eat because food is done. Esichala mo, I have finished. Esichala mo rio, I have finished cooking. Oh, bianu rie nri. You people, come and eat. Dianu rie nri. That means I'm talking to several persons. You are more than one. You people, come and eat. Or you meet me eating. How will I invite you? Or you meet your let's say your friend meets you eating. That takes us to number 9. You see, you tell your friend, ka anyị rie nri. Let us eat. So number 9 is, how do you say let us eat in the Igbo language? You simply say, ka anyị. Repeat after me, ka anyị rie nri. Again, ka anyị rie nri. Let us eat is ka anyị rie nri. Ka anyị rie nri. Okay, it's important at this juncture I inform you about our upcoming Igbo class for next month. And this upcoming Igbo group class, it's a 20 weeks group class, 1 hour each week. You'll be getting the video after the class, and you'll be getting an assignment for you to do, which you have to submit before the next class. Okay, and the course outline for this class is structured in such a way that it will take you from as a beginner for you to be to a little bit advanced level. Yeah, because it's structured in such a way that you learn beginner stuff, that's alphabets, not letters. Then you learn Igbo grammar. From Igbo grammar, you'll be progressing to learning sentence formulation, how to formulate simple sentences and how to formulate complex sentences. Okay, so that's how the structure of this class is structured, and it is just 60,000 naira for the whole 20 weeks. And I've got a payment plan for you. Just check details in the comment section or description. Okay, that's if you're interested in this class, and it will really help you. So let's progress. We are now in number 10. Anyị nọ na nke iri. Anyị nọ na nke iri. We are in number 10, which is come, let us eat. How do you say come, let us eat? You simply say bia ka anyị rie nri. Again, bia ka anyị rie nri. Nneka, bia ka anyị rie nri. Adanne, bia ka anyị rie nri. Adanne, come, let us eat. Is that clear? So, let's assume you are eating and someone is calling you to come outside, and you want to tell the person that you are eating, or the person asks you, what are you doing? Buki, what are you doing? How do you tell the person, I am eating? Buki, all you need to simply say is this: Ana m eri nri. You heard me right. I said ana m eri nri. Now, repeat it after me. I am eating. Ana m eri nri. Ọzọ, ana m eri nri. Ọzọkwa, ana m eri nri. Okay, so I am eating, ana m eri nri. She is eating. Ọ na-eri nri. What is Emeka doing? Emeka na-eri nri. Emeka na-eri nri. What are they doing? Ha na-eri nri. Ha na-eri nri. What are you people doing? Anyị na-eri nri. Anyị na-eri nri. Okay, Buki. So your friend Christy called you to come and eat. Bịa rie nri, Buki. And you came to eat the food. And now you've eaten the food. The food tastes nice. How do you tell your friend that this food tastes nice? So that brings us to number 12. You say, nri a tọrọ ụtọ. This food is delicious. Nri a tọrọ ụtọ. Repeat after me. Nri a tọrọ ụtọ. Ọzọ. Nri a tọrọ ụtọ. Now the food is so tasty. Ha! I want to say this food is very delicious. How do you say this food is very delicious? You say, this is our number 13. Nke iri na to. You say, nri nke a atọka. Or nri a atọka. Yes, nri a atọka. This food is very delicious. Nri a atọka. Now repeat after me. Nri a, this food. Nri a, this food. Nri a, nri a. So nri and a is pronounced as nri a. Nri a, as though the a is together with nri. Okay? As though the a is together with nri, then you nri a, nri a, nri a, nri a. This food. Should get this pronunciation right. Nri a atọka. Atọka is very sweet. This food is very sweet. It's very delicious. Nri a atọka. Now, let's assume your friend cooked yam or beans or something of those hard stuff. And you want to tell your friend that this food cooked very well. That means it's done. Look, using Nigeria English. I don't know wherever the part of the world you are watching this video, how they communicate it. But here in Nigeria, how we communicate that a food is well cooked. We say the food is well done. In Pidgin, it done well. Pidgin English, it done well. This food done. So you say nya yeleye ọfụma. Nya yeleye ọfụma. Now repeat after me. Nya yeleye ọfụma. Nya yeleye ọfụma. So if I ask you, Buki, when did you cook? When did you cook? Or you say, esiri m nri n'ehihie. I cooked in the afternoon. Esiri m nri na. I cook in the. Esiri m nri na. If it's morning, esiri m nri n'ụtụtụ. They cooked in the afternoon. Ha siri nri na. They cooked in the morning. Ha siri nri n'ụtụtụ. We cooked in the morning. Anyị siri nri n'ụtụtụ. So I cooked in the afternoon because esiri m nri n'ehihie. Esiri m nri n'ehihie. She cooked in the afternoon. O siri nri n'ehihie. O siri nri n'ehihie. Nneka cooked in the afternoon. Nneka siri nri n'ehihie. Okay. Now, at this juncture, I just want to remind you, because I don't know, most of you are very stingy with commenting and liking. This thing is very free. Why are you stingy with likes and comments? Just why? Why? I'm asking you. Yeah, listen to me. Why are you stingy with comment and like? Now, if you are enjoying this video so far, drop a love emoji for me in the comment section. It won't take you anything. You are not paying this. I'm not collecting money from you. Just drop a love emoji. That's the least you can do for me. Then you will smash that like button. And if you are here to subscribe, I don't know why you don't want to be part of the family. Be part of the family. Hit that subscribe button, okay? Assist me grow this channel. I am giving you value. All I ask in return is for you to comment, like, and subscribe. Then share the video. Share it so that a lot of people will get to learn. More people need to learn how to speak the Igbo language, especially those who didn't grow in Igbo land. So share this video. Thank you. God bless you as you do so. I love you. Kaigani. Let's move forward, okay? What is Nneka doing? Nneka na-eri nri. Nneka is eating. Nneka na-eri nri. Okay, sorry, I am messing things up. What does she sell? Sorry. Ọ na-ere nri. See, they're almost similar, so I'm looking from what I wrote. Ọ na-ere nri. She sells food. What does she sell? Gịnị ka ọ na-ere? Gịnị ka ọ na-ere? Ọ na-ere nri. Gịnị ka Nneka na-ere? What does Nneka sell? Nneka na-ere nri. Nneka na-ere nri. What do you sell? Gịnị ka ị na-ere? Ana m ere nri. I sell food. Ana m ere nri. I sell food. Ana m ere nri. I sell food. Gịnị ka ha na-ere? What do they sell? Ha na-ere nri. They sell food. Ha na-ere nri. They sell food. Now that brings us to our next one. What did she go to buy? Gịnị ka ọ gara ịzụta? What did she go to buy? If I ask that question, or someone asks you the question, what did she go to buy? Gịnị ka ọ gara ịzụta? Ọ gara ịzụta nri. She went to buy food. Now, she went to buy food is ọ gara. Ọ gara, she went. Ịzụta nri, to buy food. Ọ gara ịzụta nri. Ọ gara ịzụta nri. She went to buy food. Ọ gara ịzụta nri. Gịnị ka Nneka gara ịzụta? Gịnị ka Nneka gara ịzụta? What did Nneka go to buy? Nneka gara ịzụta nri. Nneka went to buy food. Nneka gara ịzụta nri. Nneka went to buy food. Gịnị ka Christy gara ịzụta? Gịnị ka Christy gara ịzụta? What did Christy go to buy? Christy gara ịzụta nri. What did they go to buy? Gịnị ka ha gara ịzụta? Gịnị ka ha gara ịzụta? Ha gara ịzụta nri. Okay, you're hungry. You just came back in and you want to request for food. How will you say it? You simply say, nye m nri ka m rie, give me food. Nye m nri is give me food. Ka m rie, let me eat. Give me food, let me eat. So, repeat after me. How you're going to say, otu ị ga-esi wee hụ. Give me food, let me eat. Bo is nye m nri. Say it after me. Nye m nri, which is give me food. Nye m nri. Again, nye m nri. Ka m rie, let me eat. Nye m nri. Ka m rie, let me eat. Nye m nri. Ka m rie, let me eat. Give me food, let me eat. Nye m nri. Ka m rie. You now want to sing song. Don't know how it's doing me today. I'm so happy. I hope you're happy too. Okay, if I ask you to dish food for me, how will you tell someone to dish food for you? To ask someone to dish food for you, you say, simply say, kunyere m nri. This food for me is kunyere m nri. Kunyere m nri. Repeat after me. Kunyere m. Kunyere m nri. Again, ọzọ. Kunyere m nri. Ọzọkwa. Kunyere m nri. Nneka, dish food for me. Nneka, kunyere m nri. That's dish food for me or serve me food. Yeah, serve me food. Dish food for me. Nneka, dish me food. Dish food for me or serve me food. Nneka, kunyere m nri. Adaobi, kunyere m nri. Okay? So, now if you want to instruct your daughter to go wash the plates they use in cooking, they use in eating. You know, some of these children, they can be so stubborn, especially these teenagers. They will finish eating, they will drop the plate. For you, their mother, to go and wash. For what? So, how will you tell your daughter or your son to go wash the plate he or she used in cooking? You simply say, gaa saa efere iji wee rie nri. That's a mouthful. So we're going to take it slowly and you say it after me. Gaa saa. Gaa saa is go and wash. Gaa saa. Again. Gaa saa efere. Gaa saa efere. Go wash plate. Go and wash plate. Gaa saa efere. Gaa saa efere. Iji wee rie nri. Iji wee rie nri. You used in eating. Go and wash the plate you used in eating. Gaa saa efere. Gaa saa efere. Iji wee rie nri. Gaa saa efere. Iji wee rie nri. So we are bringing this lesson to an end right here. I hope you found this lesson very valuable, informative. Okay, if you do, tell me in the comment section. And if you want me to treat a particular topic, tell me the topic you would love me to treat next week. Okay, and don't forget to check comment section and description for our upcoming class. You can also book for a one-on-one class. 1 hour of my time is 5,000 naira. Okay, I don't charge much. 1 hour of my time is 5,000 naira. So check the description comment section for how you're going to reach me. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. See, these things are free. Ladies and gentlemen, these things are free. Biko zieno. Like, share, and I'm on my knees. Ngwano, like now. Ngwano, share, ngwano, comment, kodo. Bye bye. See ya. Ke mesiano.